Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very well and you all are learning in a simple way on our YouTube channel. Here we are going to revise our previous topics which we have done earlier. Clear? So now move to our next part. So this is our chapter 1. Let's just review. Okay, so first thing we are having the count and match the column. One has been done for you. So here we are having some pictures. We have to count and match with the number and their number name. So let's pick one part. Okay, we will pick this fish part. So let's count how many fishes are there. One, two, three, four, five. Have you seen number five? Okay, here we are having this one. And have you seen number name 5? Okay, here we are having 5. So in this way, you have to just count and connect these number and number names. So let's do one more part. So just pick this puppies part. How many puppies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Have you find out the number 4? Yes, here is it. And the number name, okay. Again, here we are having 4. Clear? Rest are for your practice. Come to our next topic. Okay, we are having our exercise. So in our exercise, we have to just practice our numbers which we have learned before. So if we see this box contain the numbers from 1 to 100. So let's start question number 8. Fill in the missing numbers. So I know after 1 we are having 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in this way, you have to fill all the numbers which are vacant for your practice. So let's complete our last line also. Here we are having 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and this is our 100. So students, in this way, you all have to complete this box. Okay, next. Okay, now move to our next part. That is, this is question number B. Write the number names of the following. Okay, so if you have learned the number and number names, so this is easy for you, just like me. So we are going to choose question number B, third part. Here we are having 79. So first, this is our ones place and this is our tens place. At tens place, we are having 7. So we are going to use this is 70. And after that, on ones place, we are having 9. So this is our simple 9. Clear? Okay. Now move to our next part, that is question number C. Write the numerals of the following. In numerals, we have given the number name and then according to it, we have to write the number or numerals. So let's pick question number 2 here. This is 45. 40 means we are having two places here. This is tens place and ones place. At tens place, we are in 40. This means 4 at tens place and 5 at ones place. So this is our 45. Clear? Okay, now move our next part. Okay. Here we are having exercise and this is D part. Let's pick one more part. Okay. In question number D, we are having fill in the missing numbers by counting forward and backward. Okay. Here we are having two methods. Forward, we have to write the next numbers. In backward, we have to write the before numbers or previous numbers. Clear? So we will pick question number 4 first. Here we are having just next number. Just like 84 comes after 83, 85 comes after 84, 86 comes after 85. So after 86 we are having 87. After 87 we are having 88. Then we are having 89. And last we are having 90. Clear? Okay. Let's pick one more part. That is question number 7. Here we are having 68. After that we are in 67. That is the previous one. Then 66. Then 65. Before 65, we are having 64. Here we are moving backward, if you have noticed. So before 64, we are having 63. Before 63, we are having 62. And before 62, we are having 61. So in this way, you have to complete this question. I hope this is clear. Now move to our next part. That is question number E. In question number E, we are having what comes just before. Before means just one before number. Okay. So we have to subtract 1 to find out the before number. So before 50, we are having 49. Okay. And we will pick question number 6 in this way. We are having 64. Before 64, we are having 63. Okay. For next question, that's question number F. What comes just after? If we are talking about just after, that means we have to add 1 to find out our next after number. Okay. Or you can simply move one number forward. After 88, we are having here that is 89. And here this sixth question, here we are in 29. After that, we are having one addition, so we are having here 30. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now come to our next part. It is question number E. So here we are having a question that says what comes just before. Okay, just before means you have to write the previous number. And if we choose question number 3 and before 50, we are having 49. Now come to question number F. What comes just after? After 88, we are having here that is 89. That is just next number. Okay, now move to our next part. That is question number G. In question number G, we are having what comes in between. We are having two numbers. We have to find out their between number. If we talk about 60, after 60, we are having there is 61. And after 61, we are having 62. That means we are having 61 in between these two numbers. Clear? You can do just like this. Or we can say that after 51, we have to just add 1. And if we look according to this number, we have to just subtract 1. If we subtract 1 from 53, then we are having 52. If we subtract 51, if we add 1 in 51, then we are having 50. Clear? We have both methods. Now come to question number H. Fill in the boxes with greater than, less than, or equals to sign. So here we are having question number 3. So we are having this like 92 and here we are having 83. If we see this is 92 and this is 83, which one is greater? So we will, okay, first thing we have to compare the digits of these two numbers. This is 2-digit number and this is also 2-digit number. After that, we have to compare from the highest places. Okay, so highest place is 10th place, this is 9 and this is 8. Which one is greater? This one. We will put this sign. Open side is for greater number and closed side is for smaller number. Okay? Okay. Next parts are for your practice. Now come to our next part, that is question number I. Arrange the number in ascending order. If we are talking about the ascending order, so we have to write the number in the sequence from smaller to larger number. So we are going to start our sequence from the smallest number, then after that bigger number, bigger, and we have to end that series at the largest number. Okay. So we are going to choose one part, that is question number 3. Okay. Let's see question number 3. Here we have to write the smallest one the first. So we will pick 13 as the smallest one. After 13, we are having 18. After 18, we are having 26. After 26, we are having 31. After 31, we are having 45. After 45, we are having 59. Okay, so if you have seen, we have the smallest number, then 18 is bigger, then again bigger, and we ended the largest number. So this is our ascending order, or we can say that increasing order. In the same way, we are having question number J, but there is a little bit change. Now we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means we have to start from the largest number, then we have to write the smaller, and at the smallest number. So sequence is largest to smallest. Okay, now pick one question. Let's pick question number 3. So here we are having largest number first. Okay, largest number is, if we pick, that is 76. After that, we are having 67, second largest. After that, we are having 65, smaller number. Then we are having 32. After 32, we are having 29. And after 29, we are having 30. If we have seen, we have started this series from the largest number, then smaller, and ended at the smallest number. So this is our descending order or decreasing order. Clear? Okay. Now we are having our exercise key part at the following. Okay. So here we are having 3 questions. Okay. Let's pick question number 2. So when we are having addition or subtraction, we have to add the same place in the same number. Okay, we have to add ones in ones and tens in tens. So 1 plus 7, this is 8, and here we are having nothing, so 1 is 1. So our addition is 18. Now we are having question number L, subtract the following. So we are going to use the same concept. Ones will be subtracted from ones and tens will be subtracted from tens. Clear? So we are going to subtract 3 from 9. So we are having 6, and 5 minus 3, we are having 2. So we are having 26 as an answer. Now we are having next question, that is question number M, and here we are having multiply the following. Okay. So in multiplication, I think you all have learned the tables till 10 or 15. I think we are required here till 10. So in question number 2, we are having 9 threes are 27. Yeah. If you have learned the table, then multiplication is easy for you. So we are going to learn the table first, then we will use the multiplication concept. So here we are having next part, that is question number 8, fill in the blanks. So this is related to the days of a week. So let's pick question number 1 first. Dash is the second day of the week. If you have learned the days of a week, just like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the first day of a week is Monday. After that, we are having Tuesday. So according to our question, we are having Tuesday. After that, we will choose question number 3 also. Dash comes before Thursday. Before means one day before Thursday. I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it's Wednesday. Wednesday. So okay. Now move to our next question. That is question number O. Here we are having fill in the blanks, and this is related to our months. If you have remember, we have 12 months in a year, and the first month is our January, and the last month is our December. So according to that table, we are going to solve this fill in the blank part. Dash comes after January. The first month is January, after that we are in February. So we are having February after January. After that, we will pick one more part, that is fourth part. Dash comes before October. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So here we have to write the before one. So before October, we are having September. Clear? Okay. Now we are having question number P, and this is related to word problems. Now you have to focus on the language of the word problems given here, and according to that, you have to solve whether we have to add, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay. So let's pick question number 2. There are 32 boys and 54 girls went to see a zoo. How many children went to see zoo altogether? Altogether means we have to count the total number of children there. Clear? So we are going to add these questions. Here we are having 32 boys. Okay. And the first thing we have to write a statement also. Let's pick this question. Okay. So here we are having number of boys is 32. Then we are having number of girls, that is 54. And the number of children together in zoo. So we are going to write here that is number of children. For this, we have to just add these numbers. This is a ones place, this is a tens place. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So we are having total number of children is 86. Clear? So our answer is 86 children are there in zoo altogether. Okay, I hope we have done very well and you have cleared all your concepts of the last year in this video. So thank you so much for listening us carefully and all the best.